Come paint a mural with me. I am outside of Local Burger here in Northampton, Massachusetts, where I'm going to transform their entryway into a fun mural. This is my buddy Jeff's place. It's the best burger in town. It's the best burger in the Pioneer Valley, and I'm so psyched to be doing this.
Hi, I'm Jarrett J. Krosoczka. I made a wish as a kid that I would someday become a professional cartoonist. I now have 45 books published, and along the way, they've won a few awards. All right, let's get to work. I'll start by sketching out the mural based on the concept sketch approved by the client. Next, I block in the figures and environment with a uniform color. Color theory is essential. Cold colors recede in space, while warm colors jump forward. I never use black from a tube, it just muddies up the colors. Instead, I use burnt sienna and ultramarine blue to make my own rich black. The checkered floor isn't arbitrary, it echoes the paper local burgers get served on. Next, I apply local color to all of the figures. This is separate from the fact that I am painting at Local Burger. Local color is the color of an object when you see it under just a flat white light. But eventually I do add shadows, and with shadows comes reflected light on the edge of forms. I go in to add the details, and now I don't have a steady hand, especially if I've drunk too much coffee. So I'll use either my non-dominant hand to help steady, or I'll use my pinky. I painted this mural over 7 mornings before Local Burger opened to the public. And I spend the first 95% of the creative process just thinking that my art is absolute trash. But when I adjust all of the highlights and shadows in that final 5%, everything falls into place. And yes, I ate a lot of delicious burgers while making this mural this past week. I can't wait to see reactions that folks will have as they walk in, and you might notice the characters are all walking from right to left, the same direction patrons will step into Local Burger.